Hello everyone, my name is Reeshema Walker, the manager of the NCWorks Career Center here in New Bern. And how are you doing today? I'm here to give you the weekly update of all the different career opportunities that are available in Craven, Jones, and Pamlico Counties. Alright, so let's first start with the weekly job board. Here is a list of our employers that we would love to connect you to. Bosch, Buddy Concrete Service, Chadworth Products, City of Havelock, City of New Bern, Craven Community College, Craven County Government, County of Jones, County of Pamlico, Jerdera, Kingfisher Systems, Pamlico Community College, Smithfield Food in Jones County, and Weyerhaeuser. Again, this is just a very small list of those career opportunities that are available. So how do you get connected to them? All you have to do is register at NCWorks. So go to www.ncworks.gov, create your account, make sure your profile is complete with your email, telephone number, address. Make sure that employment background is filled in. Let us know all your education, your certifications. Let us know how far you're willing to drive. What is your skill set? What type of job are you looking for? And if you have a resume, go ahead and upload that in there so that can help us help you get connected to that next job opportunity. Now, if you need some assistance, then all you got to do is give us a call at 252-514-4828 and schedule a time to meet with one of our career advisors. Or you can just stop by our office at 2836 Neuse Blvd here in New Bern. Our hours of operation are from 8 to 4:30. Now, you know every week we've got something going on, and this week is no different. In fact, we got two great events. First, Wednesday, August 25th, we have Marine Corps Community Services is doing a hiring event right in front of our building at 2836 Neuse Blvd from 10 to 1. They got 13 jobs that they're looking to fill. Plus, some of those jobs have a $1,000 bonus. So you know what? You might want to come on down from 10 to 1, meet with the HR team, and find out how you can get a job at Cherry Point. Next, we have the free Federal Resume Workshop that's happening Friday, August 27th from 11 a.m. to 3 p.m. here at our Career Center. We have two great instructors, Gwen Williams and Pat Bryant from MCCS Cherry Point, who will be here to instruct students on, first of all, federal employment, how to navigate USA jobs, how to create that federal resume. What makes a federal resume different from a regular resume? Trust me, there's a lot of difference. And Gwen and Pat will be here to assist you and show you what you need to do, especially if you're looking for a career opportunity at any military installation. So again, you need to get registered though, because you can't just show up. All right? So how you get registered? You need to call us at 252-514-4828, extension 270. You want to ask for Mr. Tony Wanda Jackson. Okay. But how can you stay connected to us? Simple. Open your phone to the camera option, the app, zoom in, click on that link, and it takes you to all our social media platforms. So you can stay connected to all our different events, any career opportunities, any training opportunities, any community events that's going on. That's how you can stay connected and know what is happening in the local area. So again, we talked about the weekly job board, so you know all the different job opportunities that are available. We talked about how you can get registered with NCWorks. We talked about the two great hiring events that's going down. MCCS hiring event Wednesday from 10 to 1. 13 different jobs, and some of them have a $1,000 sign-on bonus, okay? Hint, hint. Then you have the free Federal Resume Workshop that's happening on Friday from 11 to 3. And you'll need to get registered ahead of time for that event, okay? And we talked about how you can stay connected to all the different opportunities that are available and that's happening, okay? So again, take care, stay safe, and we see you soon. Bye.